Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the sound and capturing a reference. First, identify whether the problem is hum, hiss, rumble, or transient clicks so you know which tools to apply. Once you have that, record 10 to 30 seconds of room noise as a noise profile. This will let software subtract only the background. Also, move the mic closer to the source and lower input gain to reduce ambient pickup. These preventive steps reduce processing later and improve final clarity. Next, you open your editor and load the reference noise. Use the noise profile in a spectral or adaptive noise reduction plugin and start with conservative settings. This removes consistent backgrounds while preserving voice. Then apply a high-pass filter around 60 to 120 Hz to cure rumble and low-frequency hum without thinning speech. For hiss, dial in gentle broadband reduction and monitor artifacts. If you hear warbling, back off and try multiband. To finish, focus on clarity and natural tone. Use a de-esser and dynamic EQ to control sibilance and sharpen the mid-range, then apply light compression to even levels without pumping. Make subtle final EQ boosts for presence and roll off anything below your chosen mic response. If you encounter artifacts or overprocessed sounds, try reprocessing with milder settings. If that fails, isolate or retake the problematic segment. Sometimes a quick retake is faster and cleaner than aggressive repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.